Hey mathematicians, it's Mrs. Boyle, and we are going to continue our work with solving real-world problems using addition and subtraction. So just like we've been doing, you'll listen to a word problem, and you'll think about what you need to do to solve, and then we'll try a strategy to solve, and then you will try something on your own. Are you ready? Today's problem is about Mrs. Clark. Listen closely. Mrs. Clark loves gummy bears. She had 20 bags of gummy bears to share with her friends and her class. She gave Mrs. Trinan 3 bags. She gave Mr. Blackburn 2 bags. How many bags does she have left to share with her class? I'm going to read it one more time, so make sure you're listening. Mrs. Clark loves gummy bears. She had 20 bags of gummy bears to share with her friends and class. She gave Mrs. Trinan 3 bags. She gave Mr. Blackburn 2 bags. How many bags does she have left to share with her class? So first I want you to think, what are you trying to solve here? Right, you want to figure out how many bags she has left to share with her class. Now how many did she start with? You're right, 20. Good. How many did she give Mrs. Trinan? 3. How many did she give Mr. Blackburn? 2. Good. So now we have to figure out how many does she have left to share with her class. Let's do it. All right, mathematicians, let's take a look at this problem again. Mrs. Clark loves gummy bears. She had 20 bags of gummy bears to share with her friends in class. She gave Mrs. Trinan 3 bags. She gave Mr. Blackburn 2 bags. How many bags does she have left to share with her class? For this one, I'm going to draw a picture to solve. So for my bags of gummy bears, I'm just going to draw circles. I know I need to have 20 to start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's what we have to begin with, 20 bags of gummy bears. Now, I know she gave Mrs. Trinan 3 bags, so cross off 1, 2, 3. I also know she gave Mr. Blackburn 2 bags, so I can cross off 1, 2. How many bags does she have left to share with her class? These are all the bags she has left. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you see how I made little marks in the circle so I would remember that I'd counted those? I counted 15. So Mrs. Clark has 15 bags left. Now you're going to try a problem just like this. We're just going to change the numbers a little bit. So instead of starting with 20, let's have her start with 18. She will give Mrs. Trinan 4 bags, and she will give Mr. Blackburn 3 bags. Okay. Now you give it a shot.